sila. Guys, naku.
Like maybe this moment is all that I've got. So here it is. I like you a lot. Just in case you didn't catch that, I like you a lot.
Hi guys! Today is May 4. May shift ako later at 3 p.m. and maaga pa ngayon, parang mga 2:10 p.m. pa lang. And meron kasi akong mga items na ibabalik sa Shein. I-return ko sila kasi oh my god, may aso. May mga items akong ibabalik sa Shein. So ano ba yan? Na-distract ako dun sa aso. Parang ang laki kasi niya, kasi yung hole niya ang lakas. So ayun nga, meron akong ibabalik na mga items galing sa Shein. So ibabalik ko siya sa, parang ipapaship ko siya via Canada Post. So pupunta lang ako ng Canada Post ngayon. And then uuwi din ako agad kasi kasabay ko si Claire ngayon eh. Parehas kami ng shift sa front desk. So ayun lang naman. And guys, order ako ng matcha ngayon kasi we've been craving for matcha. So mula bahay namin hanggang sa Canada Post, ano lang siya, mga 2 to 3 minutes walk lang siya, or 5 minutes, mga ganyan. Basta saglit lang ako doon, siguro mga in 15 minutes nakabalik na rin ako sa bahay. And maganda yung weather ngayon, hindi siya masyadong malamig. Saktong-sakto siya. Gantong weather sana pag summer. Kaso hindi eh. Pag summer, grabe, sobrang init talaga. And guys, Monday nga pala ngayon. Today is Monday. Dito ako naglalakad sa pa-downtown. Hi, we have iced matcha. So we want the lavender iced matcha. 2 of those.
Okay, for sure.
Want to try joining, Cheryl?
For a walk?
Yeah.
I'll just come back for matcha. Thank you.
Sure.
Yun guys, naka-order na ako ng matcha and tatawid lang ako Canada Post na. Sabi ko babalikan ko na lang yung matcha kasi baka medyo matagal pang nagagawin yan. Dalawa kasing drinks na pinili ko, isa for me and isa for Claire. So pupunta muna tayo ng Canada Post. So ayun guys, meron tayong dalawang notice na iniwan sa PO box natin. Feeling ko yung isa dito kay Jeran eh. Feeling ko nakuha niya na kanina yun. Pero punta pa rin tayo sa counter kasi kailangan kong ibalik yung mga items sa Shein. I think, I'm not sure, but I think the other one's already claimed. I also have something to return. To return.
Return?
Yeah, I have the barcode here. I think this.
What do you gotta do now?
Oh, it's one of those.
Yeah.
What are you returning?
This one. Has 3.
Are they, is it 2 different codes or is it one?
Just one code.
Just one? Oh, supposed to be it's all together?
Yes, it's all together.
So what was the one that you showed me with the...
So they gave us 2 options. It's either we can like print out that thing, or we can just show the barcode.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let me try to scan that one again.
Yeah.
That green one. Okay, I put it all in there.
I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah.
There's many different ways.
Oh,
to
this is
return
also
it.
my first time returning something.
So we're not sure like which method.
And I was just reading, I came across this by accident the other day because we thought this was for the Amazon.
Oh,
But
okay.
then the other side of the page, it said the green bar QR codes are for blah, 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 right? Okay.
And that can go in there, but I just need to wait. So hold on. There we go. Okay, so that should be good. That's the tracking number.
Okay.
Okay,
And this is all good?
it's all good. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day. Sorry, guys. I feel bad. Thank you. Have a good day.
You helped us to learn something.
Thank you. Have a good day. Guys, oh my God, I feel so bad. Kasi, nag-return nga ako, di ba, ng mga items galing sa Shein. Kasi, sobrang liit niya for me. Pero large naman yun. Pero usually kasi, large naman talaga ako sa Shein. Pero sobrang liit talaga nung dalawang, yung isa kasi parang bolero yun. Tapos yung isa naman, peplum top. Sobrang liit niya. Tapos, meron yung isa yung parang document organizer. Pero ang pangit kasi ng quality niya. Tapos ang mahal niya, $20. So, may-return ko siya. And then, hindi din nila alam yung gagawin nila. Pero, at least na-sort out nila. So, my God, we're good. Thank you, Lord. Hi there.
Did you want a tray for the drinks?
Sorry?
Did you want a tray?
Yes, please.
Already?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Is this the lavender?
Yes, it's the
Okay.
lavender one.
Thank you. Okay, we're good. We got the matcha. Now we're heading home because I need to get my things, my bag for my work. You know what, guys? I've been trying to edit my first vlog that I'm gonna upload here on YouTube. Pero I don't know why, but I don't know how to edit it. I don't know how to add music or which music I would put. But I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Well, I do know how to edit. Hindi ko na alam kung anong i-add ko. Kasi I want the vibe na slow morning, slow days. Okay, guys. Mamaya na lang ulit. Nahihirapan ako magbitbit. Andito na kami sa work.
Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Meron na lang kaming mga isang page ng check-in.
Page, isang scroll.
Isang scroll.
Dami pa kaya?
Isa na lang. +1.
Hindi dami pa
Oh.
Ay,
Isang scroll na lang yan. Mga isang scroll +3. Reservation. So siguro mga ano na lang yan. Mga 15. And nasa ano na kami. Magti 3 hours na kami sa shift namin.
wow.
So, this is Claire. Again and again. Nakakasawa na. Hi there.
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good, thanks.
Checking in.
Yeah, you got 2 rooms for Kirby.
Oh, yeah. Chris, I need both of your IDs. And is he here? The other
Yeah, he's
person?
dragging his stuff
Okay.
across the parking lot.
With your credit card, right? So just a few reminder, checkout time is 11 a.m. No smoking and no pets allowed in the room, and restaurants open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Wonderful.
So you will be in room 310.
Okay.
Wi-Fi instruction is here, and this is a coupon for the restaurant if you want to dine in there.
Nice.
And you will be staying in 312, and then elevator is around that corner.
Wonderful. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Have a good night, guys.
Cheers.
Si...
Ano siya?
Yeah.
109.
Gwapo niya, no? Para siyang si Michael B. Jordan.
Wow.
Ay.
Oh my god.
Hello guys! So it's 9 p.m. So that means 6 hours na kami sa shift namin. And ano ba yung mga ginawa namin? Ayun lang. So mostly nag-check-in lang kami kanina ng mga guests. And
We just have like we only have like one check-in left, and we're just waiting for the guests to check in. That's basically it. Nagawa na rin kami ng mga signs for the conference room tomorrow. Ano pa? Yeah, yun lang. Actually, ganun yung work namin.
have a good night! Ayun. Ayun lang. Mag-greet ka lang.
Yung mga guests, tapos check-in ka, gagawin mo yung ibang task mo. Ayun lang, alam mo. Paulit-ulit na lang itong ginagawa namin, kaya hindi ko nga alam kung ano bang content ang maganda. Pero ako ang maganda.
Hello! Break na namin. Nag-order kami ng Powwow Tacos. Ito yung itsura niya. If curious kayo. Para lang siyang tacos, pero yung pinaka... Ano nga yun? Parang yung pinaka chips niya, tinapay. Good morning guys! Today is Tuesday and kakagising ko lang. May work ako ulit today ng 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. and magluluto na ako ngayon ng breakfast ko. Pumasok na si Bebe. So mag-isa na lang ako ngayon. Guys, sobrang ganda ng weather. Tingnan niyo. Diba? Sobrang ganda ng weather ngayon. Summer na talaga. Magluluto sana ako ng ginisang sayote. Kaso, sira na yung sayote. So, ano na lang, petchay na lang na may sardinas. Gusto ko kasi ng gulay today. Guys, kain muna ako. Guys, ayun. Sobrang messy ng room namin. Pero, ayoko kasi siyang linisin nang hindi ko day off. Kasi, gusto ko siyang linisin as in yung linis talaga. So, siguro magta-tidy up lang ako ng a little bit. Pero yung talagang linis talaga sa day off na lang. Paulit-ulit talaga guys yung mga pinapakita ko sa inyo. Kasi yun lang talaga yung mga nangyayari sa akin. Or sa amin everyday. So, ayun guys. Kakatapos ko lang mag-breakfast. Actually, brunch na yun. Kasi it's 12 already. And meron pa akong 1 hour bago ko mag-shower. So, manonood lang muna ako ng Grey's Anatomy. Hi guys! Ay! Papasok na kami sa work. Sobrang ganda ng araw. Wala, grabe yung blush on ko. Di man? Di man. Tingnan mo, ang ganda namin, di ba? Ay, kami lang to.
Para siyang camera din. No? Camera mo.
Well, caramel. Nothing. Just because. Oh, now we know who will we ask for chicken wings. It's you.
Why?
Right, Claire? Yeah.
Why?
It's the first time we taste the chicken wings like that.
With actual sauce on it?
Yeah. And then juicy on the inside.
Yeah, I don't overcook wings. I don't like to overcook stuff.
We are going home! Finally! Ay! Dito na lang ako. Wow, 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 wow! Meron kaming sundo! Ay, hatid! Ito na. Wait na. Seven a.m. Hello guys, good morning. Today is May 6. Yup, today is May 6. And ang shift ko today is 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Ano pa? Guys, Char. Yeah, so sa front desk ako ulit ngayon. And ano pa ba? Anong gusto nyong malaman? Kasi paulit-ulit na yung ginagawa natin dito. Char. So ayun, parang medyo maaga ako ngayon kasi parang 20 minutes. May 20 minutes pa ako eh. And pag maglakad lang naman papunta doon is around 10 to 12 minutes. Ganyan. Guys, ang ganda ng araw. See? Yar. Oh my god. I look so fresh. Charis. Arte. Kala mo talaga. Tomorrow is my day off. So, marami tayong gagawin kasi tayo ay maglilinis sa kwarto. Ano pa? So, ayun, maglilinis ako ng room namin kasi disaster na siya eh. Disaster! And, ano pa? Bala kong mag-Tim Hortons ulit, syempre. Walang katapusang Tim Hortons. Ano pa? Ay, hindi pala ako naligo ngayon, guys. Nag-half bath ako. Hindi ko lang binasa yung hair ko kasi kakaligo ko lang din kahapon yun, 1 p.m. And amoy fresh and looks fresh pa naman yung hair natin. Kaya hindi na ako naligo. Kasi guys, if you remember, ang shift ko kahapon is 3 to 11. So, wala na akong time para maligo today. Kasi, mga mag-1 AM na ako nakatulog. Nagising ako 5:30 na. Tapos nag-breakfast na ako ng kaunti. My God, hingal na hingal yarn. Yun lang guys. Baka hindi ako makapag-video sa work mamaya kasi 7 AM to 3 PM nandyan yung mga managers. Baka ma-update ko na lang kayo later pag break time ko or baka mamaya or baka pag uwi ko na talaga. Grabe pagod. Guys, tatawid na sana ako kaso ang laki ng truck. So ngayon na lang tayo tatawid. Oh my God, may sasakyan. Alapit na ako sa work. Gusto ko lang i-try yung mga different angles kasi nga bago tong phone ko and hindi ko alam, parang feeling ko kasi mas gusto ko na lang tong gamitin kaysa dun sa Insta360 ko since 1 terabyte naman to, pero hindi ako sure kung paano ba ganyan, like ganyan ba or ganito ba, ano ba sa tingin nyo? Hi guys, we are going home finally o diba
Pagkatapos magipag-plastikan sa mga guests.
gaga. Ay, sorry. Profanity. It's not allowed. Char.
For humanity.
Profanity for humanity.
For prosperity.
Ano pa? Ano pa?
For dignity. For my virginity.
Hoy!
That's it. Bye.
Papunta kaming pharmacy. Mag-window shopping kami sa pharmacy. Wow! Bibili siya ng pills. Kasi parating na ang kanyang asawa. To the box chart. Mater na sana eh. Kaso wala mater na dito.
Hindi sa Amazon meron.
Eh, sa Costco nga eh. Ay, sa Costco na lang. Guys, update. Wala kaming nabili. Kasi window shopping nga, di ba?
Window.
Naka-short na sila. Oh my God. Di ba? Tingnan nyo tong mga batang to. Oh. Sana sila? Oh, mga naka-short na. Pero kami nilalamig. OMG. Nasa bahay na ang mga person.